Hey guys, it's your favorite girl Jeulia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So obviously I'm in my room. It's present day. I know it's like, wait, are we supposed to be here for a Jamaica vlog? It's coming, but let me just get through this part first, okay? Don't you guys miss me? Comment down below if you guys miss me. I missed this. I haven't sat down and talked to my camera in so long. But I know someone who really want to go and get to the Jamaica vlog, so let me just hurry up and talk about what I came to talk about. A company by the name of Jeulia reached out to me and was like, hey girl, we want to send you something, or whatever the case may be. So if you guys are into accessories, which I know a lot of you guys are, because a lot of times the accessories that I have on, I get a lot of questions about, Zoe, where you get this, Zoe, where you get that, Zoe, where you get... Me are the plug. I am the plug. I got all the good stuff, okay? So Jeulia was sweet enough to send me a product. However, thanks to COVID-19, it did not reach me in time for my trip. But in honor of the vacation vlogs, my actual like piece that I picked out was so fitting. So I was like, you know, in the midst of everything, let me just come out here quickly and share this with you guys, because the people that want them video and order them video from 19 all long. Yeah, all right, cool. So as I said, Jeulia sent me the package. This is how the package came, you guys. I have not opened anything. I just went on the website, chose what I want, and they shipped it out to me. Okay, so this is how it comes. You know, it's premium artisan jewelry. Okay, now this is not the type of jewelry where you go wear and it's a go change color like tomorrow. No, this is like good quality jewelry pieces for your monies. Okay, so you open the box and it look like this inside. Yeah, you get a card here that has like a coupon code, which I do not think is valid anymore. By the way, if I do have a coupon code, which I cannot remember, I'm gonna have to ask the lady, but if I do have a coupon code, I will definitely leave all of that information in the description box, or it will be on the screen here. This is just a message letting you know that you can return the jewelry before taking off the tag. And here is a booklet that I think this just talks about like the pieces that they make. It talks to you about the process, the type of metals that they use, and then it kind of just shows you all like some of the different products that they have. Okay, the next thing is a cute little gift bag. I guess if you were like using this as like a gift or something, you get a cute little gift bag. Ooh, my like, hey, I love details. And like a little greeting card comes inside. Everything is all branded. Okay, Jeulia. Okay. Ooh, you get a silver polishing cloth. It has a silver cleaner and anti-tarnish agent. Used as an ordinary cloth on lightly tarnished silver and silver plate to obtain a brilliant polish with long-lasting protection. Okay, my like things, and then here, oh god, okay, so let's take this out. Oh my god, I'm excited. So I got a custom piece. I'm really excited. I love custom stuff, so like, you know, I'm really into like, you know, and as I said, like it's really fitting for this period on my channel, you know, this vacation period. So anyways, I love gold. If you guys know me, ooh, look at that. Look at that box. Ooh, jeez. Can we talk about branding? Oh my gosh. Okay, so my piece came in this little plastic bag. Oh, and then it came in another plastic bag. Okay. Oh my god, I love it! I love it, and I haven't even fully seen it yet. OMG. Okay, wait. Oh, okay. Oh, this is so cute. this chain, yeah, it has, okay, hold on. I don't know if you guys can see it. Where is it? Right here. Okay, yeah. So it has a Z and a J. And then it spells out what's gonna be my new last name. So it would be like this. I love it. Oh, this would have been so cute in Jamaica. This is lit. Oh my gosh, I love it, you guys. And like, I don't know, like the quality just feels really, really good. Like there's a weight to it that I love. Like the pendant alone, like the weight itself, amazing. I love that. Like I don't like when I'm wearing stuff and it just feels so thin and flimsy, but like feel like a weight to my things them. So thanks again to Jeulia for sending me this chain. I love it. You guys definitely go check out Jeulia, and again, if I have a discount code, I will leave it in the description box and in the comments as well. If not, still just go check them out and see if there's anything there that will suit you guys. And now, without further ado, let's get into the vlog. Anyways, guys, so we nearly missed dinner. But anyways, we managed to get some stuff. This is Babe's food. Vegetables, some fruits. These are his drinks for tonight. I'm not a red velvet fan, but it's cheesecake, so I said let me grab some. I got some raw veg. I also got a Bob Marley. Their pineapple juice is bomb. Oh my gosh. Bruschetta, potato wedges, barbecue chicken, stew beef. There we go. Stew beef, beef, and yeah, and then there's vegetable rice. I thought it was pumpkin rice, but it's vegetable rice. And yeah, that's my meal. Yes, I'm excited. Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Oh no, I sound like the Powell family. Welcome back to our channel. But no, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favoriteest girl, Zelisha. And I'm going to the pool. It's like 5 o'clock. But it's been raining all day. Yeah, so we have one more full day. And then Wednesday morning, we out. So we going to the pool or the beach, whichever one. A picture I need to take. These things. I just posted a picture of this outfit on Instagram. See my queen husband here. Go and muggle in the elevator. You know. It look good with the wooden bag. It look good with the hooding. Why? with the hooding bag. Why? Come now. Show them a clean self. Yeah, girl. All who husband can match red, blue, and white a bat. Yeah, now show them the Asics. Yeah. B-shots. Yeah. Have a buzz. The party have a buzz. You know. Maybe I gotta say something else, you know, but it have a buzz too. How dare you say that?
Well, it's still a bit.
It's this way. Can you pull up my pants for you?
What it too big, you know.
Stop, man.
Tree big.
Body big, belly big, everything
No,
big.
no, big.
Yo,
But you know,
my
small.
belly big.
Alright, I'm a pillar. Leave it alone if you don't
When your man say your belly don't small,
but we don't want a small belly.
that's what he says until they get really, really bang and then him gone.
Sanitize. See that standard procedure.
You're gonna use sanitizer and go in the pool?
Okay, see me I go there.
Oh, you're not going in?
Clean, we just sit down and watch it.
Oh.
And take picture with it.
All
take
right.
a picture. Want a picture up on the beach. You know.
Guys, here's the beach.
You have some water picture.
Hold on, guys, let me show you my full outfit. Cause me look cute.
Top girl, too nice, people I'm on problem. So me no worry about them. I depend on me and me bank book apart. Girl, no need boyfriend, but too real for you worry about fakeness. I'm in a
Oh God, stop now.
Vegas.
Anyways, y'all, here's our dinner. Our steak, corn, broccoli, tomato.
Pork. This is a steakhouse.
Noodles. Curry.
Curry lamb, you know? Get to you.
And roti.
Roti.
Hey, girl.
No.
Bon appetit. Bon appetit. And we got some white wine or water, ginger ale. I got my sauces, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to dig the in. Soon come. Hey guys, so on the way to the room, we seen that they were playing a movie. So we're on a date. We're at the movies.
Your father had such hopes for you.
Lion King is literally
Gave you
playing.
so many chances. And this is how you repay him. Who caused his
Yeah,
father
that's what we're doing.
a boy. Run. Run away.
Sister Sweaty.
Run away.
Sister Sweaty era.
And never return.
Surround sounds and views. You see me? So yeah, people. I'm just here with my 2 drinks, my Miami Vice.
Jeulia.
And my Jamaica Smile. This is my favorite drink. My favoriteest of all.
Yeah,
so
drink
far.
that drink.
Yep.